Live from Tijuana, Mexico. Well, kinda. If you're watching this on Thursday, we're live. I'm here with
Mary.
Now, Mary, where are you from originally? I'm not going to ask you what part of the world you're from.
Okay. Well, I'm from Los Banos, California.
Okay, cool. Now, what brought you down here?
What brought me down here to you was I had a lower back problem and I was suffering a lot with the pain.
Okay, now this is kind of interesting. Low back pain is the #1 problem in the world, okay, for missed work and health challenges and everything. I mean, low back pain devastates our economy and people. Why didn't you choose to get drugs?
That just masks the problem, really. I don't want that.
Really? Well, what drove you to this? Because did you see other doctors before that gave you different advice?
Well, not in my lower back pain, but with other issues that I've had, yes, that have improved here, actually.
Is it okay? Are you able to share this? Because I know you talked to a bunch of people.
Yes, I have.
I mean, with people out there. Think of this, you're doing something unique. I mean, we're living in a weird culture where if you got bowel disorders or skin disorders or back pain or this pain, there's always a chemical solution, and the chemical solution doesn't work.
Correct. Yes.
Particularly when you're made in the image and likeness of God. You know, your body is really self-healing and self-regulating.
Yes, I believe that.
So what brought you to that point? What brought you to finding the solution for your body instead of medicating it?
Just that I know that the body is capable of healing itself. I've always believed that, being that I'm a believer in God, you know. So what the medical people told me, first of all, didn't help me, you know. And second of all, I knew it was harming me one way or another. So I knew that the holistic way to go was the best way for my body.
You didn't read the side effects of the drugs, did you?
I have.
Oh, boy.
Yes, I have.
Okay, never do that if you're taking them. I mean, you figure that there is no chemical solution. If you look at your body as intelligent, respect that intelligence. This means inflammatory bowel disease, back pain, neck pain. Okay, they're not problems. They're alarms to tell you that there's something wrong. And you're never going to take a drug to correct something wrong because no one's suffering from drug deficiency. Now, okay, that was kind of rude and sarcastic. Okay, no, that's how I talk. Okay, now, what could you tell people out there to inspire them that your body is self-healing and self-regulating?
Well, basically, to try it, really, if they haven't tried it, to try it, because it's a big difference from, you know, the normal way of doing things with the doctors. I've seen a lot of improvement. I just came from my back, but I've seen several areas in my body that were bothering me that had improved greatly.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And that's the key. Your body is intelligent. Respect that. And take charge of your health, because we're living in a crazy culture that just drugs symptoms. Or they ignore it, or they say it's hereditary, or they say it runs in your family, or, you know, any kind of ridiculous excuse. Look at the body as giving you alarms to an area of dysfunction or an area that needs to be attention and not really problems. And that includes inflammatory bowel disease, back pain, neck pain, everything. Okay, now, take charge of your health.
Oh, yes.
You're built by God.
Yes. This experience here has been really great because I have better energy. I have more energy, more clarity, better sleep patterns, which I didn't. That was a bonus for me because, you know, that was the hardest for me to function every day. And just changing my sleep pattern has improved a lot.
Isn't that cool? Body regenerates, baby. Everything you're doing is amazing. Because your body is, no matter what age it says on your driver's license, your body is only about 7 to 8 years old. The body is continually cycling and renewing. So you restore that form and function, then the body can regenerate healthy.
Yes, I believe that. Yeah.
Take care of
feel a lot
yourself.
better.
Be personally responsible for your health. Do not abdicate authority over a corrupt system that uses chemicals to alter your physiology. Your body is self-healing and self-regulating, baby. Take care of yourselves. God bless you and Happy New Year.